Hi Techholics, today I will present you the NX18 Pro smartwatch. In the packing you will find a user manual in English, a charging cable and the watch. Let's take a look at the watch. The bezel is metallic, but the frame is plastic, so where the strap attaches, a strong heat might cause it to break. Finally, a watch with a metal backplate. We have two active buttons whose function we can change as we will see later. They are plastic but of good quality. The screen is 1.5-inch AMOLED according to the manufacturer, with an always-on display function. I activated the always-on display, but I noticed it turns off after about 5 minutes, so it's likely that the screen is AMOLED. Here is its figure. The battery is 400 mAh and with regular use it lasts for about a week, but if you use GPS it lasts around 5 hours. The rest of the features can be found in the description, and I also have a link for those interested in buying it. I have connected the watch with the FitCloud Pro app to receive notifications and make and receive calls. Let's go to the menu. With a double click, I can change the menu appearance. A classic menu for watches that support the FitCloud Pro app. Has phone call pad, contacts, call records, voice assistant, data, workout records, health measurements, sleep monitoring, messages, weather forecast, female cycle, music control, breath training, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, game. I can add more from the app. Collection code, business card, find phone, calculator, calendar. Camera control, compass and settings. The weather shows the forecast for today as well as the upcoming days. Here you can add your Instagram or Facebook business card. This is done through the app and you need to have a QR code for your account. You load it into the watch and set it through it. Collection code. You can add your PayPal account or Alipay account for payments in the same way. Time to check out the watch faces. Of course, you can download more from the app. The bottom button takes me to the sports modes, and the measurements are made using GPS and transferred to the phone. I can set the watch from here. Menu style has 4 different. Display settings, screen time, raised wake, always on display, this is fake. Battery level, vibration ring. You can change the mode of vibration. Languages. The main language is English and Chinese. Okay. QR code. Down key settings. You can change the bottom button from here. You already know the app, so we will go through it quickly. The size of the watch is perfect for my hand. Pros: its metal back and the ability to customize the buttons. Cons: the screen does not support always-on function. If you like the video, you know what to do. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Bye!